Well, pleasant day, children. Today we are going to have a lovely session on this lesson, measurement. Let's begin with warm up. The one that is longer. Now definitely this looks to be longer. What is the time by the clock? What can you say? It's dot 3. Okay, 3. Now looking ahead, we are going to, what is it that we are going to look ahead for in this lesson? That's the meaning of looking ahead. We are going to understand how length was measured using non-standard units. We are going to identify standard units of measurement of length, mass, capacity and time. Okay, now let's begin. In our everyday life, we measure different things such as heaviness of objects, amount of liquid in a glass, length of clothes and time in a clock. Measurement in finding the number that tells us about the size or amount of something. What is measurement? Is the finding the number that tells about the size or amount of something. Now let's see what it is. Are you ready? Okay, here we have the measurement of length. Take a look at the conversation between Harjeet and Gurupreet. Harjeet, our house is 25 footsteps away from here. No, Gurupreet, the house is 20 footsteps away. I measure the table with my hands, it is 15 hands long. But when I measured it with my hand, it came out to be 14 hands long. Can you guess why Gurupreet and Harjeet were getting different results? Length. What is length now? It is a measurement of how long an object is. Length is a measure of how long, tall or far apart things are. In olden days, people used to measure lengths with the help of their body parts like hand, arm and foot. What they used to do? Hand span, foot span, stride or pace, or this was the cubit. Okay, now what was the hand span about? The distance between the tip of the thumb and little finger. Did you tip of the thumb and the little finger? And what was foot span? The distance covered by the foot. And what is stride or pace? The distance covered by taking a long step while walking or running. Cubit, the distance from the elbow to the middle finger of the hand. Did you get it? Now, hand span, foot span, cubit and stride also differ from person to person. Hence, the measurements were not accurate. Are my hands and your hands the same? Is my foot size and your foot size the same? Definitely not. So it is naturally going to differ from one person to another, isn't it? Hand span, foot span, cubit and stride are therefore non-standard units of measurement. So there was a need to have a fixed unit for measuring things. These are known as standard units for measurement. What do we understand by standard unit? A unit which is always the same and never changes. The standard unit for measuring length is meter. Meter is used to measure long lengths. Centimeter, cm, is used to measure short lengths. Kilometer is used for measuring long distances. Did you get it, children? Now what is the short form for meter? M. How is centimeter called in short form? Cm. How is kilometer called in short form? Km. Did you get it? So meter is used to measure long lengths, centimeter is used to measure short lengths and kilometer is used for measuring long distances. Like your cloth is measured in meters. Understood? Centimeter, you can say you can take a scale and you can draw 1 centimeter. Kilometer is from here. Now suppose we are in Mumbai and you want to go to Goa. The distance measured is in kilometers. Did you get it, children? Very good. We can use rulers, measuring rods and measuring tapes for measuring lengths. Now fill in the blanks with the correct unit of measurement, whether it is cm, or M? My pencil is 11 dash long. Come on, think, think, think and write it out. The tablecloth is 5 dash long. That also I want you to think and write it out. Okay, be quick. Now, measurement of mass. The balloons are very light. I can carry 5 more such balloons. I don't understand. Even though the balloon and the pumpkin look almost the same size, why is the pumpkin so heavy? Now here's the answer. The pumpkin is heavier than the balloon because the balloon and the pumpkin have different mass. Mass is the amount of material present in an object. What is mass, children? Mass is the amount of material present in an object. Let us move further. The commonly used units for measurement of mass are gram, the short form for the same is G, and kilogram, the short form for the kilogram is kg. Heavier objects are measured using kilogram kg, while lighter objects are measured using gram, the short form for which is G. A weighing balance and weights are used to weigh object. Now this is called a weighing balance and these are the weights. Okay. Now you have to fill in the blanks with the correct unit of measurement, grams or kilograms. The mass of a table is 10 watt. The mass of a cup is 150 watt. Now this is what you are going to think and write. And you are going to tell me and then we will decide whether you are right or whether you are wrong. Okay, now let's see what is the fact is about. In some countries like the United Kingdom, weight is measured in pounds. Measurement of, now we will move further, measure of capacity. Now before I begin the measure of capacity, children, don't forget this, okay? It is measured in pounds where? In some countries like United Kingdom. Okay. Measurement of capacity. Javed and Kusum are filling the bucket with water. They use mugs of different sizes to fill their bucket. Let's see what she says, Kusum. It took 15 mugs to fill the bucket. Whereas, what is Javed saying? It took 7 mugs to fill the bucket. Why is it that Javed and Kusum use different number of mugs to fill the same size bucket? The quantity of liquid a container can hold is known as its capacity. Now, what is capacity? The quantity of a liquid a container can hold. Take a closer look at the mugs of Javed and Kusum. Both Javed and Kusum had mugs of different capacity. Hence, they both use different number of mugs to fill the bucket. The smaller the mug, the smaller mug has less capacity. The bigger mug has more capacity. Did you get it? Now let's see, the standard unit for measuring capacity is liter. The short form for it is L. We can measure a large quantity of liquid using liter and a small quantity of liquid using milliliter, that is ml. Now let's see what is over here. When you buy something, its weight is given on the packet. How would you know if the weight printed is right? Or is there any special mark on the packet that makes sure that the measurement is correct? What is it? Now this is for you to think. Ask the shopkeeper, discuss with your parents, okay, and we'll come to a conclusion and we will discuss about it in class. All right. Now measurement of time. A day in David's life. Hey mom, I'm going to play. The time right now is 4 p.m. I shall be at yoga class by 4:30 p.m. We have been playing for very long. I have to go to my yoga class. What's the time, Tenzin? Oh, David, I'm afraid I do not have a watch. Let's see what happens now further. We use a watch or a clock to know the time. Time is measured using hours, minutes and seconds. Now, What's on the checkpoint 2? What is the time shown in the given clock? Challenge itself and complete the task in 10 seconds. Now this is for you to do. Your time begins now. Measurement of temperature. Measure of degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. Temperature can be measured using a device known as thermometer. The temperature can be measured on 3 scales. Which are the 3 scales? Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Which are the 3 scales, children? Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Let's see what does fact Ace have in store for us. Now this is a thermometer, okay? It indicates 98.6 degrees. Got it? If you don't have a thermometer, go to the chemist and please buy one. It's a must to have a thermometer in the house. Fact is, the normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note it down and always remember this. Now let's wind the lesson up with a summary. Measurements are important in our day-to-day life. We use standard units to measure things. Length is measured in meter and centimeter. The short form for meter is m and centimeter is cm. Mass is measured in grams. The short form for the same is g, and kilogram. The short form for the same is kg. Capacity is measured in liters. The short form for the same is L, and milliliters is ml. Time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds. Temperature is measured in 3 scales, that is the Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Children, I had a lovely time explaining you this lesson and I hope you had a lovely time too. Have a nice day.